morning, audience. In this series of videos, you will be learn about various types of soups. So today I will be telling you about consomé, and in this series I will be teaching you about few more soups. So before jumping on to consomé, I will explain you what is consomé and what are the categories of the soups. And here you can see zupa, shorba, potage, sape, soep, sopa. These are the various names called to soups. Different countries call them by different name. Potage, in your French terminology, you will be using this term potage. Shorba is Indian soup. So these are the few categories of the names of the soups. And when we categorize soups into four major categories. Number one is clear soups, thick soups, cold soups, international soups. So in clear soup, we will learn about broths and consomé. And today our focus will be on consomé. What is consomé? I will tell you. In thick soups, there are five further categories: puree soup, velouté, cream soup, bisque, and chowder. These are the thick soups. And cold soup, as the name itself suggests, that the soup which is served cold. So there are varieties of soups like gazpacho, which is a cold soup. International soups are those soups which are recognized from one country and are known all over the world. Like there are various soups which belongs to particular country but are given a category of international soup. So those are the international soup. Like minestrone is an Italian soup which is an international soup. There are soups like from India, you call it mulligatawny, which is a lentil based soup from India. That is also falls in the category of international soup. So we'll learn about it later on. Today I will be telling you about consomé. Basically, a consomé is a clear soup. A clear soup which is clarified with egg whites. It is an old saying that if one can read the date on the dime of thrown in 4 liters of consomé, then it is a good consomé. Basically, we have to clarify our mutton stock or chicken stock with the help of certain clarifying mixture, which I will be telling you now. So a consomé is a clear soup. Rather, I will say it is not a clear soup, it is a crystal clear soup. इतना clear कि you can read. अगर आपने उसमें एक coin डाल दिया, उसके bottom में आप उस coin के ऊपर जो date लिखी है आप उसको पढ़ सके. That is consomé. So I will be telling you about consomé in today's practical. So ingredients required to make consomé: we have fine chopped mirpua, onion, garlic, carrots, celery, leeks, and this is some tomato, fine chopped. We may require some vinegar because it helps in the coagulation of eggs. This is the egg white of almost 4 eggs, minced meat, and this is the stock, mutton stock. This is not clear. We have to make it crystal clear by adding these clarifying mixture. So this is, you can see the onion, which is like you burn it on some tawa or some griddle, and this will impart a color, amber color, to your stock. And this is the bouquet garni, which will impart the flavor into the stock. So this is the egg white of 4 eggs. In this I am adding fine chopped mirpua, carrots, onion, some garlic, leeks, celery, mince of lamb, कीमा जैसे बोलते हैं नॉर्मल में। इसको अच्छी तरह से मिक्स कर लेंगे। इसमें हम थोड़ा सा कोल्ड स्टॉक डालेंगे। ये आपको ध्यान रखना है कि वेन एवर यू आर स्टार्टिंग योर कंसोमे, ensure that you have a cold stock in your hand. So add some cold stock into it, mix it well. इसमें कोल्ड स्टॉक मिलाने का पर्पज़ आपको मैंने बताया है कि एग्स जो हैं उसको जैसे ही हीट मिलती है इट गेट्स कोएगुलेटेड बिकॉज इट्स अ प्रोटीन एंड दैट प्रोटीन श्रिंक्स व्हेन इट इज़ गिवन सम हीट। तो हमने दैट्स वाई वी आर स्टार्टिंग इट विद द कोल्ड स्टॉक। अब नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी विल ऐड सम विनेगर इनटू इट, not much, just a spoon of vinegar, because a spoon helps in the coagulation of egg when we simmer it on gas. तो थोड़ा सा मैंने विनेगर डाला है इसमें। Now how we will do it, we'll take the stock in a pan. This is not a clear stock, we have to clarify it. We add this clarifying mixture into this. We have to stir it well. We add this bouquet garni into it. We add this onion which will impart a color to your consomme. And now I am going to put it on a heat. So you have to, initially you have to stir it when you put it on a gas. You have to put it on a medium heat and keep stirring it for by the time it will start boiling. Once it start boiling, stop stirring it. Otherwise, because we want to create a raft on it, एक पूरा राफ्ट आ जाएगा, जैसे एक बादल सा उठ के आ जाता है, वो जो राफ्ट है वो that will bring out all the impurities on the top and the crystal clear consomme will settle underneath. So that is the main objective of this clarifying mixture. I am adding some salt into it because we want some seasoning into it. Add some salt, some white pepper powder, because you are looking for a clear soup, that's why I am adding some white pepper powder. You can add black pepper as well, but white will make it more clear. अब ये जब आपका जो इसमें कुछ गर्म हो गया है स्टॉक, तो आप उस समय you stop stirring it and leave it like this so that it gets coagulated. In this raft you can see it is coming up, and with this raft it is getting all the impurities of the stock. So underneath we get the clear, crystal clear consomme. Now it has simmered for almost 40-45 minutes on a low heat, and you can see that underneath of this stock pot I have put in one griddle tawa so that the bottom of the pan can become heavier and it will not burn, because there are certain sediments which might settle down and chances of their burning is high. So when the bottom is heavy, the chances of burning them is negligible. And this is the raft I was talking about. Now I can see that the consomme is almost ready because the raft is in its full shape, and from center or corner I will make a hole and see the consomme. From here I can make a space from where I can take out the consomme and see the clarity. You can also see the liquid is very clear, crystal clear liquid, and I will strain this liquid with the help of a muslin cloth in a clean. I am just straining it off. We have to ensure that draft will not fall into this because it will make it unclear. So now this is the consomme. You can see the bottom of the pan, this bowl, and this is the this amber color is due to that onion we have added into it, and your consomme is ready. And you can garnish it with julienne of vegetables, then it will call consomme julienne. If you garnish it with brunoise of vegetable, it will call consomme brunoise. If you garnish it with some egg-based custard, then it will be called consomme royale. So it is named after the garnish added into it. Enjoy.